YouTube Cod King 03 again, and we just found a metal can out here, right back there, that little like half moon thing. We're gonna shoot at it, just see how powerful this gun is, and see if it penetrates. And we'll get it a little bit closer so Gavin doesn't miss.
Shut the hell up.
Here, a woodpecker, just don't really know where it is right now. Right there, Gavin. Here, just rest it on the tree up here. Once again, just this can right here. Just gonna see if it penetrates it. He's gonna rest his gun on here, this tree. And hold on. And here he goes. Did you even hit it? Oh yeah. There it is. As you see, put a pretty clean hole through it. Right here. Right there. Pretty powerful gun. There's another tree stand right there. We might go sit in that. I don't know. Anyway.
You can't sit in that one.
Yeah, you can. We don't know where the moon is right now, where that woodpecker is, but we'll get back if we find it, find a squirrel or bird. Say bye.
Bye.